Hi, this is Luke Russell here with TradeAlgo, where we use alternative trading systems to identify winning market opportunities each and every day. ATSs are private exchanges that large institutions such as banks and hedge funds trade on, inaccessible to the investing public. It leaves the retail market completely in the dark when it comes to speed and transparency of information, and it often causes people to chase stocks and options a majority of their trading experience. Well, here at TradeAlgo, our AI is able to identify the top large, mid, and small cap opportunities in both of the trending up and down sides of the equation. So that way, people can more confidently and successfully trade stocks and options following smart money transactions. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at the trending up side of the equation. I want you guys to see how NVIDIA popped up at the top of our board with a gigantic signal, 130% increase in institutional bullish pressure. No surprises, the stock jumps over 4% as a result. A $750 billion market cap jumping 4% is a monstrous move. The stock opened this morning at around 304, jumped a little bit over 318 at one point. What our AI is detecting is that typically only about $7.3 billion of NVIDIA is traded by large market makers and private exchanges over a 7-day previous average. Today alone, $16.7 billion. It's $9 billion extra dollars than what it would normally receive. No wonder it's making such a large move as a result. Now, it's important to get access to that information early, hence why we track market makers, large institutions, and why we use AI to curate it in real time. At 8:07 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, you can see our AI is detecting 1.74 times the average amount when the stock is all the way down here at $305. Now, you can either choose to use the main dashboard and the AI on your own, or what you can choose to do is we send out alerts as well. This is what we would call more of a soft alert. So NVIDIA is unstoppable, 935. It's right there at the top of the main dashboard. So we go ahead and alert people that, hey, this is a great opportunity and a great play for the day. NVIDIA options were up over 1,000%. Some of them triple digits, some of them quadruple digits. Let's say, for example, that you had done the $315 call option. We're going to go from the beginning of the day, 9:30. At its maximum, these options were up 1,800%, wrapping up the day at about 1,000%. Maybe you didn't even get in the trade until 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then you got out at a very bad late exit that's still a triple-digit return. The whole purpose and the whole point is get access to the information down here so you're not caught chasing it over here or over here. And there were people that were sharing great success stories with us today, saying things like, hey, thank you so much for, tipping me off to that at the beginning of the morning. The AI and the alerts made, 200% on NVIDIA today. Hey, thank you guys so much. Made a quick $1,300 on NVIDIA today. Other people sharing success stories saying, hey, I hit my target for the day. I'm already done. It's lunchtime. I made $1,250. Other people saying, hey, thanks so much. Made a quick $300 for the NVIDIA heads up. Now, there were many other opportunities, but we don't have time to go into all of them. So let's just take a look at maybe one or two more. We're going to go ahead and go to the trending upside of the equation on the large cap space and go to Palantir, PLTR, with a 336% increase in bullish volume. No surprises, the stock jumps 12% as a result. Again, what our AI is detecting is a massive amount of unusual volume, almost 700 million extra dollars in a fraction of the time that it would normally get it. So large institutions have the ability to affect the prices of stocks and move them more with their large transactions. And then, of course, we use AI to curate that all at 8:12 a.m., more than double the average amount of what's typically seen there. Now, on the options chain side of the equation, you can see in PLTR, huge triple and even quadruple digit movers. Let's say, for example, that you had done the $11.50 call option at the beginning of the day. Right here, options opened at about 3 cents. And at their maximum, it's a 1,600% return. But again, maybe you didn't get in until 10 a.m. and maybe you got out at a horrible exit, 500% return. And we have people coming in and sharing some great success stories with us saying like, hey, thanks, I'm happy with my 52% today. That's great. Imagine 52% compounded day after day, week after week, year after year. Other people saying, hey, thank you so much. Ended up hopping into Palantir today this morning, got in at 27 cents, out at 92 cents, 344% return. And we can go ahead and wrap up here with the example from Netflix. So it's NFLX that popped up at the top of our main dashboard on the trending upside of the equation in the large cap space. And the reason that it popped up is because there's a huge signal in institutional bullish volume. So 572% increase from what's normally seen there. The stock ends up moving 6.5% as a result. Now we're going to go to the alerts tab one more time to show you when our AI was able to detect that from these private exchanges. And you can see, get out my Finder tool, that at 9:32 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 6.73 times the average amount of bullish volume is identified there than what is normally seen there. So on the options chain side of the equation, go to Netflix, options up triple digits, quadruple digits. They were even up quintuple digits at one point today. Let's say, for example, you had done the $370 call option. We're going to take a look at the 1 minute chart because we know our AI picked it up at 9:32 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, which down here, the options were only 11 cents at that moment. At its maximum, that's a 7,700% return. Or maybe you didn't get in until 11:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 240% return. Again, get the information down here instead of trying to chase it over here or over here or over here. And of course, people sharing their success stories, saying things like, hey, thank you so much. Hopped into the $370 call option, in at $1.05, out at $1.07 or $7.05, even made a quick 100% on NVIDIA from the trade that we showed earlier. Guys, stop getting your information too late. Stop seeing only a portion of the market and come join the winning team here at TradeAlgo so you can find out how to get access to opportunities like these each and every day. Give us a call to find out how you can run through a one-on-one demonstration with a lead system analyst or how you can attend any one of our free live webinars that take place every single day, Monday through Friday. Thanks, guys.